How to save dark icons on an Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to save dark icons on an Android phone. Without further ado, let's get started. First, you need to navigate to Settings app. Scroll down towards Display and Brightness. And make sure that you tap on Dark Mode and toggle on Dark Theme. On some phones, this automatically changes the system icons to dark versions. Step 2. You can use Themed icon. For that, long press on particular blank space of your home page and tap on Wallpapers at bottom left. Tap on Wallpapers and you can easily look for the dark wallpapers, with the help of which you can easily change your icons to dark theme as well. So suppose if this is a wallpaper that I want to choose, you can tap on apply and tap on home screen option. In most devices this might help, but on my device it didn't actually work. So what you can do is go to settings, scroll down towards the bottom of your screen, tap on wallpapers and style and tap on themes option. Now you can easily open black themes and here you can see the icons has been changed to black and white. You can even choose the wallpapers or the themes like this, and the app icons have been darker. So you can tap on apply button after viewing all those themes and then get dark icons on an Android phone. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.